Hi, I'm Eric Ludwig, co-founder of Rise Technology Advisors. Thanks for watching. As you may have seen before, this is the Pathfinder application. This is how we take our intellectual property and provide meaningful outputs and kind of distill this information for our clients to help them make meaningful decisions and engage in meaningful conversations. Today we're going to look at our Connectivity Navigator. Our Connectivity Navigator is our new name for what was our fiber tool. And it's no longer the fiber tool because it includes wireless, it includes coax, it includes all sorts of different media. You can see here, this is a representative sample of the United States. Now, we only have access to the data where we can connect via an API. So there are certain suppliers you may not see on color codes. For example, AT&T, Verizon claim national security. We do have their lit building list, and you'll see that here in a moment, but we don't necessarily have their fiber runs. Why is it important that we have these fiber runs? It gives us better intelligence on, can someone actually provide service? Typically, whereas a splice point, are we going to see significant delays? And most importantly, are we going to see the potential for massive construction charges? So this helps us make sense of what is, in many cases, a guessing game. I'm going to take an address, and you could see here it creates a direct link to Google Maps. So I'm using a physical location in downtown Chicago along the Chicago River across from Union Station. And in this particular example, you can see up here on the left, there are 8 suppliers that are on net, which means they're physically in the building. So we can run a connection from a client suite to the meet me room, the telco room, and we can provision services very quickly. Moreover, we can provision them inexpensively. So we will typically take these lists of suppliers, we'll get our client requirements in terms of bandwidth, and then we'll engage directly with these suppliers. You can see below here, these are some of our more manual quotes. These we can do quick quotes out of our tool, and we had that on the main page, so we can get very quick pricing turned around to our clients. More importantly, we can look at other technologies like cable, fixed wireless. We know who the incumbent local exchange carrier here is. In this case, it's AT&T. More importantly, we can actually click on other ones of these locations so that we know how far is it and who's on net at that location. So when we start to look at more rural areas, and we say, okay, we only see one supplier in this building, we may be able to look at some of the locations around in a radius of where we were looking initially and see, oh yeah, actually this supplier is on net there or that supplier is on net there, which gives us again some intellectual property and some intelligence that says we could probably order a service from these suppliers and we can install it without significant delay and or increase in cost. Our goal here will be to look at as many locations as our clients need, to map to the suppliers that they may or may not want. It's a great tool for diversity. If you have an existing supplier and you're looking for another one, it's a great way to keep costs in line, and more importantly, a great way to set some expectations from a time to install. Give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd love to customize this output for you. We're happy to run locations through, give you our input, and then run you through the quote tools as well. Thanks for watching. Look forward to talking to you.